Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mayonnaise with a poached egg. First, gently crack one large egg into a pot of simmering water. Cook it for exactly 3 minutes to ensure a perfectly runny yolk. This precise timing is crucial for the texture we need. Carefully remove the poached egg with a slotted spoon and let any excess water drain away. This is the unique foundation for our rich mayonnaise. Next, separate the warm poached egg yolk and place it into a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a small pinch of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of white wine vinegar. These ingredients provide essential flavor and help stabilize the emulsion. Whisk everything together vigorously until the mixture is smooth and uniformly blended. This creates the perfect base for our creamy mayonnaise. Now for the magic. Slowly begin to drizzle in 1 cup of neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed, drop by drop. It's vital to add the oil very gradually at first while continuously whisking. This slow addition allows the emulsion to form properly. As the mixture starts to thicken and become creamy, you can increase the oil flow slightly, but maintain constant whisking until all the oil is incorporated. Finally, to balance the richness, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This adds a bright, tangy note that elevates the flavor profile. Taste your mayonnaise and adjust the seasoning with additional salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Your incredibly smooth and flavorful homemade mayonnaise, made with a poached egg, is now complete and ready to be enjoyed with your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.